Hey everyone, recently we had enhanced OpenAlgo user interface with an modern and responsive UI with Daisy UI components. It also comes up with an small this theme switcher with a light and dark instant theme switching. So it's also mobile friendly layout as well. So what this time we had implemented is like cool dashboards and real time trading updates. So means if anybody is sending an automated orders, instantly you can see that the order book, trade book, position book, and the logs will be automatically updating. So we had added a lot of innovative controls. So we had included a lot of new features which user can very quickly that makes their trading automation life very much easier. So let's go and discover one by one. So we have this FAQ page for the beginners. So who are already a beginner to OpenAlgo, they want to know more about it, about OpenAlgo, they can get to know more about it. As of now, 10 brokers has been implemented. Most of them are already popular brokers, and there are more brokers we are yet to implement, which are there in our pipeline. So let me go and log in into the platform. So I'm going to click on login. I already created my account. I set up my account. So I'm going to enter my credentials here. Maybe if you're a first time user, you'll be redirected to set up your login ID and password. So let me log in. Now once the login is successful, automatically you can see that the connected broker will be automatically discovered from the environmental file. So what are the settings that you have done, the broker settings automatically detects what broker that you're connected with. In my case, I'm connected with Fires. So let me connect the account here. So it automatically redirects to the portal. Let me log in with my client ID. So let me go and log in. So once I'm done with the login, automatically it will be redirected to the OpenAlgo portal. I mean, not OpenAlgo portal, but your own private trading application. Right. So once you confirm the login ID, you'll be directly logged into the dashboard. And whatever the theme that you are switching, automatically the theme will be remembered by the browser. So next time you open whatever is the old theme, which will be automatically happening over here. And you can also see that the master contract got downloaded. So once you log in for the very first time, the master contract downloads. So every time you are doing a fresh login, the master contract will be automatically downloading, and it keeps those data in the database, which is very much essential for the automated trading. And you can the front end dashboard, you can see the trading balances, margins, and P&Ls. Order book, right now there are no orders here, but I'm going to send an order over here. So from my AmiBroker, I'm going to show you how this time it's going to in a real time it's going to update these information. So let's say I'll go to the API key. First time I'm going to go and generate the API key. By default, you're not going to see there is an API key over here. Let me copy that. Maybe if it's the first time, you may not have that API key, or you may have to go and generate the API key for the first time. Now once you had generated it, just copy the API key, and I'll go back to the dashboard, and I'm here in my AmiBroker. I'll right click, I'll go to the parameter. I'm having this button trading module, which you can find in the documentation section under AmiBroker. So I'm going to place this OpenAlgo API key, right? I'm going to place some test orders in BHL. So I'm going to place one quantity of BHL test orders is what I'm going to keep. So I'll press OK. On the left hand side, I'm going to keep AmiBroker, and on the right hand side, I'm going to keep OpenAlgo. Right. So what you can see from here is like, let's say I'll go to the order book. So order book, as I said, as of now it is empty. So I'm going to punch an order with the press of a button. So the moment I press the button, you can see that the order is placed, and instantly you can see that the order is getting updated over here. Let's say I'm going to send a sell order over here.
Sell order triggered.
Instantly you can see that the buy or sell order is getting instantly updated. The same thing you'll be able to see in real time in the trade book as well as in the position book. So maybe I'll go and show you in the trade book. So if you are seeing in the trade book, So what you can sense here is like, which I'll try to place an order here. I'm going to send an sell order.
Sell order triggered.
Instantly you can see that the order is immediately getting reflected in the trade book as well. Not only in the trade book, but also in the log section as well. Let's say I'll go to the log section. So there's a log section here. So even in the log section as well. So if any new order is incoming, so the last order is like 11:31:04. Let's say I'm going to send 2 more orders here with maybe a different quantity. I'm going to send with like quantity as like, let's say like 5 quantities, so that it'll be easy for us to recognize. I'm going to send an B.
Buy order triggered.
Automatically you see that it buys 5 quantity, and then BX.
Sell order triggered.
So it automatically triggers that 5 quantity automatically gets triggered over there. Instantly it gets updated in the platform, right? That is something pretty important to understand. And along with that, there is also a facility to search last couple of days trading logs, or let's say you want to search only orders which are placed via BHL. So there is a search functionality is there. You can also download the data in a CSV format in the logs, and even if you're having past logs, right? So last 1 year log or last 6 months log, or if in case if you want to select logs only between that particular dates, you can select it and then you can export that into a CSV format, and you can also see that logs automatically in your downloaded CSV file. So later on, which you can use it for your further processing, right? It completely captures those details. Not only that, the detailed logs you can still able to get. If in case we're gonna go and navigate to the view request and response, you'll be able to see what request AmiBroker has been sending and what was the response, right? So for security purpose, the API key is not shown in the requested data, but rest all the information will be available over here. You can go back and narrow down to any particular API, and you can go back and check those request and response. All the API requests will get automatically logged, and all those requests will be automatically available instantly the moment any new trades are coming in. So you can see the order book. So here is the theme with a white theme. This is how it looks like. Trade book. So we have this position book over here, and then we have this holdings. So if in case if you are having any holdings, and the TradingView also automatically it generates the webhook URL, and it generates a sample JSON. If in case you want to change it, let's say I want to change it to Nifty future. So Nifty November FUT. So earlier the search feature is not there, but now we had implemented this interesting search feature. Let's say I'll just go and type like Nifty. So here you can go and select whatever the exchange you want. Let's say something like futures. I have to select like NF4, and now I can say like Nifty NOV FUT. It narrows down exactly with that keyword based searches, right? Earlier the search format is not there. Now the search format you can go and select it. Automatically it updates the exchange, and also it updates the symbol as well. So maybe if in case we want to search for MCX, so I just search for MCX. Let's say I want to search for crude oil futures. So I'll go and select something like crude oil FUT. So I should be getting this crude oil futures over here, December futures. And automatically it updates in the JSON. So you can copy the webhook URL, and you can copy the generated JSON, and you can use this to place automated orders in TradingView, right? So that is one thing. And we also have this search functionality. So a couple of enhancements has been done on the search functionality as well. So if in case you want to see the list of let's say Nifty contract, so it retrieves the top Nifty symbols. You can also see that. Or maybe if in case it also comes with a pagination as well, so multiple pages, you can scroll through that. So this shows the database, what information has been stored in inside the database. Or let's say you want to know about Reliance. So Reliance, and then exchange, I'll keep it like NSE. So now let me search. So automatically it shows the keyword with Reliance. So whichever the symbol which are matching with the keyword name Reliance, or with the symbol, it brings all those information instantly in front of you, right? So these are some of the changes that we had done with that. And even the dashboard also, it updates instantly. Let me check if the dashboard could update instantly. So I'll keep AmiBroker. Let me try to place order.
Buy order
See
triggered.
that instantly the AmiBroker also, when the order is placed from AmiBroker, it instantly updates the balances and it updates the P&L in real time whenever any new orders are incoming. Right. So we also have this wonderful
Buy
toast
order
notification
triggered.
as well. So every time there is an order which is coming in, the available balance will get detected and instantly you'll also get that toast notifications. Right. So any important notifications, automatically the user will be alerted instantly in the OpenAlgo trading dashboard. So I hope that is the new change we had built all about. So this time we built completely using Claude Sonnet 3.5 newer model. Not even a single line of code has been written manually, right? So we've been keep doing this for quite some time, and let's see what is there in store. So yeah, with this Claude Sonnet 3.5 model, we're able to make the OpenAlgo with new and innovative features. So hopefully you like this. So if you are using OpenAlgo, let me know what more that we can build on top of OpenAlgo. So more interesting features are coming soon. So stay tuned. Thank you.